Hello there, and welcome back to Teacher Kenny's Say With Me Pronunciation video course. Hope you're doing okay, and I know I am. It's a nice cool morning here, so air's fresh and all that, so I feel good, and I hope you do. In today's lesson, guys, we're going to work on a new sound. It's a diphthong. It's where two vowels work together to make a sound, and this one is the A-U-O-W sound, like owl. And when I was in China, my students really had a hard time with this sound, or at least making it where at an American, at an English level. You know, they have words like, like the basketball player Yao Ming, but it's at a lower pitch, and it's hard for them to get, or wah yow something, and it was hard for them to get that good owl sound. But what you want to try to do with this sound, it's a big sound, ow, and you see me open my mouth, like if I go, oh, ouch, ouch, right now, ouch, that's what you want, is this owl. And my students, a lot of times we would play a game about, I'd go around the class and I say downtown. And they go, downtown, downtown. And I said, no, it's downtown. And we would have a hard time. Some people would say it right, and a lot of people would say downtown, and everybody would laugh. But it's a big sound. It's all over English. And we got to learn to do it so you have a good, clear pronunciation. So we'll have, and on this sound, we've got some vocabulary, then we got some sentences, and just listen carefully and work on that. If you're like now or cow is like no, cow, like that, pick your voice up and just follow me, okay? And watch these videos as many times as you need to, and you'll get it. You'll get it. And here we are. This is video number 28, so we're doing really, really good. But anyhow, let's stay tuned, strap on, strap in, buckle up, and let's get to the vocabulary, okay? So we'll see you in just a second. Okay, so now we're back with our lesson with the words that have OU and OW in the sentences, and words. Now remember, this is a really strong sound in English. This owl, and you got to kind of say it strong. For example, like in China, they want a downtown, and instead of downtown, and so you got to raise your voice and get this owl sound out. So just repeat after me, and if you're from Asia, you may have to work on this harder. It seems like I've always had a problem with some of the Asian students with this sound. But look at line 1 and go shout. So just repeat after me. Shout. Pow. Round. Hear that? Round. Wow. Line 2, just repeat after me. Chow. Out. Loud. Bow. Line number 3, south. Flower. Hear that? Flower. Bound. Couch. Line number 4, just follow my lead here. Thou. Vow. Spout. Trout. Line number 5, now. vouch, how, mount. And our last line, line number 6, bout, amount, howl. Hear that L sound at the end? Howl. And our last word is clown. All right. Let's take a look at some sentences. All right, we got 5 sentences to work with. The sentence number 1 is, ouch, the foul hit my brow. All right, let me say it again. Ouch, the foul hit my brow. Sentence number 2. Count the couches in the house. All right, let me say it again. Count the couches in the house. Sentence number 3. The loud noise makes the clown frown. The loud noise makes the clown frown. Okay, let's go to sentence number 4. Just say with me. The stout cow is bound to chow. The stout cow is bound to chow. In our last sentence, sentence number 5, the fowl are bound for the south. Just follow me. The fowl are bound for the south. All right, and that concludes this lesson. You may want to watch this video several times and get the sound correct. Just repeat after me and make sure and get that good ow sound, just like if you go ouch, and that's kind of the sound you want to get. So you have a good day, and we will see you next lesson. Okay, say bye-bye.